this, pop a bottle of Chris like Eyez Christmas. Let's enjoy life, jets and nice rides, rock shows, nightlife, sleepless nights. On the road all day, doing shows all night, rolling like stones are right, moving with the flow of life. Look but don't touch, because I got me 500 Benz, switch from a TC, that's why they envy me. Make ends meet like a motherfucker without a rap sheet. No crime, so I catch no heat, just catching the beat. Don't need it to eat, so ain't losing sleep over lyrics incomplete. I'll just put it on the track, another song on the back burners. Gotta handle your business, grassroots theories on your kids' Christmas wish list. So pick up this shit, explicit, can't miss it, cause they got their eyes on me and JP.
And I would too, if I was you.
But you gotta stay true to what you do, and beware of what you move through different crews, and be rude with what we knew. I'm ready to blow up, living life sky high, toe up,
Lay back when you listen to this, pop a bottle of Chris like
Eyez Christmas.
let's enjoy life, jets and nice rides, rock shows, nightlife, sleepless nights.
On the road all day, doing shows all night, rolling like stones are right,
moving with the flow of life. Look but don't touch,
because
check it out. Now, people ask me how I make my rhymes hit so close to home. I told you, homie, listen, yo, it's all up in my chromosomes. When I'm in the zone, I rock it fresh without the microphone. But if I've got that, I'm blazing it up when I see a nice dish. I can't help but persist, I just want to assist. I'll be opening my door, sitting low in my whip, and she'll be blowing me kisses. Hopefully she don't miss this collaboration. Jean Paul and Ken release the beats for the beast within. Please the beast, feel the beats within. I wanna get that gold rose, maybe that rose gold. Camera action while we mess with the slow pose. You wanna battle me, your girl wanna straddle me. Opportunities arose, I just took what was handed me. Too hot right now, I kick it under the canopy, cause on the beach my girl be fanning me. Laid back when you listen to this,
pop a bottle of Chris like Eyez Christmas. Let's enjoy life, jets and nice rides, rock shows, nightlife, sleepless nights. On the road all day, doing shows all night, rolling like stones are right,
moving with the flow of life.
Look but don't touch, because